So, with the same prediction, it's about Saturn transit in Aries. The number one, this is for Aries ascendant. It is happened in Aries ascendant. So this is the prediction of 2028 of what happened during that time when Saturn is moving from Pisces to Aries. As you can see, the Saturn placement now it's moving from 12th house to first house because this is Aries ascendant. So let's focus on the sign. So the sign is Aries. Let me show you the sign. So there is Aries. So Saturn is 2-degree Aries. Again, this prediction is for Indonesia because I live in here. So what happened when Saturn is transiting from Pisces to Aries? This is called the Gandanta zone because Saturn is crossing from water to fire sign. So it creates combustion, that smokiness from water to fire. It's like you're bringing water to a fire. So the water is boil, and then this, the water is evaporate. So that's what happened. So in this case of what happened, if we're looking back in the years of 1998, there is a riot, a huge riot that happened in Indonesia. I think it is in Jakarta, and that was a huge riot that is, I think it's between Chinese Indo people with the local people. So this thing will happen again when Saturn is transiting in that sign. Will it be huge? It will be different, of course, but the situation that Saturn is creating it will be similar. It will be similar. It will be the same like back in 1998. And what interestingly about this transit that happened, if you're looking at the positions of Rahu, which plays in the Capricorn, and also the 9 aspect of Jupiter, so it won't be as severe as back in 1998, but of course it's still going to happen. The riot thing and the masses, the people that wants basically a justice, a sense of justice, because that's overall that's what Saturn is. And if you're looking at the positions of Mars during this transit, Mars, this 4th aspect goes to Gemini and also Saturn too. And what interesting about this thing, there will be a lot of tension, a tension that is happening. Because of that tension happening, a restriction is built up, people get angry, and it just burst out. And then the 8th aspect goes to Libra. And what is Libra? It's also represents people, justice. So during this time, It says that this riot will be similar to the 1998, but it's more, it says controlled, but it's not severely the same like back in 1998. It's still not yet there though, but it will in 2028.